Hi guys, it's Makyah here, and I'm back with another banger video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, it's going to be an emergency kit that you need for school. This baby, if you need help picking out what you need in your emergency kit, or just in a kit you can take to the store if you're going out of town, well, this goes for anywhere, anything. You can keep these in your, you can keep an emergency kit in your car, in the glove department. You can keep them in your backpack, you can keep them in your little purse, anywhere. But you're gonna need one. I think everybody's gonna need one at some point in time. You can take this kit anywhere, and especially now, you gotta put a little extra stuff in your emergency kit. With this COVID stuff going around, you gotta put a whole bunch of more stuff in there just for your safety, and take the precautions that you need to take. So y'all, I'm done with all that rambling. Let's get right to this video. Okay guys, so I have this iridescent, with this blue iridescent bag that is really big, and it fits everything that I need. I got this from Five Below in Louisiana. I think all Five Belows have pretty good, decent bags that you can use for your emergency kits. This one just says, oh, I'm gonna drop it. This one says, in case of an emergency, put mascara on yourself before helping others. I don't really wear makeup. I do wear mascara sometimes on special occasions, but not all the time. I just got the bag because it says in case of an emergency. This is an emergency kit, so yeah. But yeah, you really can't see it because, like I said, it's iridescent. But yeah, you can kind of see it now. This is a good size bag. It's medium size, Five Below, remember that. So I have all of my stuff in here, and I have a little extra stuff placed right here just in case if I forget something, but I hope I don't. So when you first open up my emergency kit, I have in here is pads. And these are just dollar store pads, nothing much, nothing regular dollar store pads. Baby, you need pads, and just in case if you're out somewhere and your period comes, and you need pads. You don't want to stuff tissue up there. But if you do not have pads, tissue might work. But I really recommend you carrying pads with you at all times, even if you have already had your cycle, because you never know. You might be out with a friend and they may start and they may need a pad. So keeping pads with you at all times is very good. Also, following up with pads, we have panty liners. These are just the always panty liners. I got this from Dollar Store for $1. This is a thin, and it has 20 in here for $1, which is really a steal. These are panty liners that catch anything extra that's coming out of your hoo-ha. These are good for after your period or before your period, because you know that you spot. This is good for catching discharge. So I really recommend you getting panty liners and keeping pads in your bag, because this is very essential. The next thing that I have in here is a scrunchie and a hair tie. Now, if you have long hair, or even if you have a little short hair, your rubber band might pop on your head, or you might just feel a little high at school and just put up your hair, and you might not have a ponytail holder, or your friend might not have one. But sis, if you keep it in your emergency kit, then you're gonna have one. You're gonna have one, especially if you play sports and you're gonna have to, need to tie your hair up so that you can, focus and it won't be all in your hair, swinging around and stuff. A hair tie and the scrunchie are very much needed. Also, an extra mask. With all of this COVID stuff going on, you're going to need an extra mask to take with you to school. Just in case if you be rushing one morning and you forget your other one, then you have a backup one in your emergency kit. And I suggest if you use this one, just to make sure that you put it back in there after you get done using your emergency one, or replace it with another one, just so that you can always have one on you just in case. It's just like a little thin one. I got this off of Hygiene. It's just like a little gray one. I have a pack of 8 for like $7, which is a steal. The next thing I have in here is floss. The next thing I have in here is the Dentalk floss, which is what I use since I have braces. It's kind of hard to put the regular floss in, but if you're the person that likes to floss your teeth just before lunch, or after lunch, after you get done eating, then you're going to need to carry this. Even if you don't, it's really still good to carry, because maybe a friend needs something, or you can carry the other ones, the little pack of floss things. You know what I'm talking about? The ones with the little hooks and stuff on it, with just like the one line. I can't use those, like I said, because I have braces, so it's kind of harder. That's why I use these, and I really recommend these if you have braces, because these are really good. But yeah, there's two different types of floss just because my friend needs one and these are mine. You can tell I really use these a lot. So floss is really important. So floss after you get on eating breakfast, lunch, or anything. Also, you can put gum in here, but I don't have any packs of gum. I've run out, but I used to keep gum up in here just in case. Just because we have a mask does not mean that you cannot keep your dental hygiene up. So make sure that you stay on top of that because that is really important as well. The next thing I have is a mini hand sanitizer squeeze tube and a mini spray. These are both hand sanitizers, and especially now times we have to stay clean. We have to keep washing our hands and frequently sanitize. Having these in your emergency kit is really key just to keep yourself safe and maybe even your friends safe from getting any virus or anything like that. So yeah, this one is one that I got from Walmart. It was on sale for 75 cents. And then I also got this one from the Dollar Tree. It's really good to keep in your emergency kit. It's very mini size. Just because if you need it, then you just pull it out, put some on, and put it back in there. So y'all, please be sanitized and keep washing your hands frequently. The next thing I have pertaining to your period is panties. Now these panties are clean. I just bought these. These are period panties, what I call them. I like black panties for my period panties. I got these from Walmart. These are 100% cotton, which is what you need because cotton is the best underwear to wear, especially on your period, so that you can ensure that you do not be closed up all day and tight, and then when you finally release it, you know, the smell goes out. But with cotton underwear, they are very breathable and they help you breathe all day, so your vagina is not just closed up. So yeah, I keep these in just in case if I, you know, be at school or I be out somewhere and I start my cycle and then my other panties are just messed up, so I can just, you know, wash up and, you know, use these, put these on, you know, and then, you know, get my pad and put it on there, and then I'll be good to go because I've washed up. I have my extra pair of panties, I have a pad, I have everything ready to go. Another thing that I have here is a portable charger. Now I really need this because I be on my phone in school most of the time, like during the day. I be on it at lunch, morning, on the way to different classes. I be on my phone, so it does die. Well, it does get low pretty fast, and I need a portable charger so I can keep it charged up. And you know, you don't want your phone dying in school, especially just in case something happens. Then you're gonna need to call your mom or something. You might not know their phone number by heart. A portable charger will save your life because I really be needing one. Another thing I have in my emergency kit are flushable wipes. Now these are unscented flushable wipes. This pack comes with 48 wipes. You do not have to get this big pack of wipes. They have smaller travel size wipes in Walmart. You just go to the travel size section. They have everything you need that you can, you know, just get and put it in an emergency kit so that everything will fit. But you need wipes just in case something happens, you know. Gotta wipe your face, you can get a wipe. Gotta start your period, like I said, you need to wipe up, freshen up. Wipes will help you with that a lot. That will help you freshen up and stay clean throughout the day. You use the bathroom, get your little wipe out of this pack, wipe up, and you're good to go. If you found yourself being musty or something, get you a wipe your armpits off, then dry them off a little bit, and then you apply some deodorant, which is the next thing that I have in my emergency kit, which is the Dove Fresh Deodorant, which is supposed to be 48 hours. This is a good mini deodorant. They have smaller sizes of this at Walmart, like I said, and you can go in the little travel size section and get you some of this and put it in your emergency kit. And if you wipe up your armpits and then you apply your deodorant, then you're good. Then the next thing I have is extra pencil. I'm very clumsy. Well, not really clumsy, but I'm very nice when it comes to letting people use my pencils. Very nice. Just in case those run out of lead or, you know, I lose all of them, I have an extra one in my emergency kit to take with me to school, and I have it, you know, to use. The next thing I have is a extra lotion and body spray just in case if I come to school a little ashy on my legs. You can see my legs. Then I have this. I have both of the matching sets. I have the Into the Night hand cream and then the Into the Night body mist or body spray, whatever. Keep this in your emergency kit just in case, you know what I'm saying, your hands feel a little dry. Moisturize your hands. That gets me to my next product. If you are a sensitive type of girl, then we have the Dove cream, which this is also at the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. They also have bigger ones, like really big ones at the dollar store, but I got this at Dollar Tree. They have another one which really smells amazing too, but that one has fragrance. This one does not. So this is really good for my sensitive skin girls or my girls that have eczema, because it really treats that. And yeah, it's really good. I like it to moisturize my face with or something. The next thing I have is headphones, especially now since my school has required us to have Chromebooks on us. That means that all of our work is on the Chromebooks. If you have to watch a video, it's on a Chromebook. So I need some headphones, some cheap, good quality headphones to plug to my computer when I need to watch a video for my assignment in class, something like that. So I got these from the dollar store. Not much. They're already halfway broke, as you can see, but I gotta give me some more. But you do not need no fancy headphones if you have a Chromebook, or if you get one at school. Just get you some regular headphones. I keep these in there because I might need these from time to time, and I might, you know, just take them out of home and forget them. So I just keep them. So I just keep it in my emergency kit just in case if I need these during the day in class. Another thing that I have in here for my girls with braces or my guys with braces is my elastic rubber bands that we need to keep on us at all times. Another thing I have is lip gloss. If your lips be ashy, just because you have one a mask does not mean that your lips have to be ashy and dry. Maybe put some lip gloss on, or put your little Vaseline on and wipe it off or something like that before you put on your mask. I really just don't understand, but I do that. And I have this lip gloss from Bath & Body Works. Another thing you want to keep up in here is money. Right now I just have like a little bit of change in here. I keep change because my school sells juices in the cafeteria, and I be wanting some because those juices are not even, they're just a little bit bigger than this. And I just be thirsty because they'll just be gone in 2 sips. So I keep changing here. I keep money, but now I just have like a little 2 quarters and 2 pennies in there. You also want to keep an extra charger. I don't have the extra charger, but I always take my charger that I keep at home to school with me. But I'm going to soon go to Walmart and give me another iPhone charger to keep in here just in case if I need it at school. Like I said, my phone dies a little fast, so I might need that one day, and I have to get mine at home. So yeah, guys, that concludes this video. I hope I didn't miss anything, and if I did, I'm so sorry. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video with all of your friends and family. Tell them to watch me. I am kid friendly, so tell all of your little cousins and little brothers and sisters to watch me because I am really fun and I'm an energetic person. Yeah. So that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe like I said before. And don't forget to hit that bell beside the subscribe button. And y'all already know what my saying is. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I love you guys. Mwah. See you on my next video.
Hi girl, hi girl, hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest,